Xiaomi appears to be preparing its next-generation tablet lineup in China, with the Xiaomi Pad 9 and Pad 9 Pro already making their way through domestic certification. Basic hardware details for both models have now surfaced, offering an early look at their displays, processors, batteries, and charging capabilities. As per a Weibo post by Tipster Digital Chat Station, the Xiaomi Pad 9 and Pad 9 Pro are expected to feature an 11.16-inch LCD panel with a 3.2K resolution and a high refresh rate. The display is reportedly expected to be marketed as an 11.2-inch panel, with both tablets likely sharing the same screen. The new models are also tipped to pack 9,720 mAh batteries, with the standard Pad 9 supporting 45W wired charging and the Pad 9 Pro upgrading to 67W. The Pro variant, which seems to have already appeared in 3C certifications database with model number 2612 CRPFFC, whereas the standard version appears to have the model number M656BA. As per other reports, the Xiaomi Pad 9 is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, while the Pad 9 Pro is tipped to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Both models are also expected to ship with Xiaomi HyperOS 3. Apart from this, Xiaomi is also said to be working on another tablet called the Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro. This device is expected to feature a 12.5-inch 3.2K LCD screen, a 12,000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, a 32-megapixel front camera, and a 50-megapixel main camera paired with a 2-megapixel secondary sensor. It is expected to feature the company's in-house Xring O3 chip. Speculations are rife that the Xiaomi Pad 8 Pro may debut alongside the Xiaomi 18 Fold, which is also expected to feature Xring O3 chip later this month. As far as the Pad 9 series is concerned, it may debut alongside the Xiaomi 18 lineup in September in China.